Hello everyone, welcome to update 14 Lime Junction. I've not done anything to the layout in the last week or so, just been too busy, but I have got some new purchases which I'm going to show you. Some of you may be interested, some of you maybe not, but here we go. I'm saying they're new. I've got them off eBay, and a couple of them are new. Some of them are not. I went to a show. As anyone that's watched my last video on my model cars I've got, I went to a show with my friend Dave, who people know about at the moment, and went to a show in Kendal. Really good train show. So I bought some bits and bats there. So without further ado, let's have a look at them. Right, focus in. That grey wagon there, that's one I got. I got a set of 4 different ones. Got that one, them two, that one on the frost, and a wooden core one. And at the show I got 2 more second hand wooden core ones, so I've got a rake of 3 of them now. I don't know with me, obviously I've got my sacks of salt. I quite like the yellow wagons, they look really good. If you look behind the wooden core one, I got the Torbici Mac. I've got one of them, obviously the one with the loadings, the one I've already had. And I got 2 more Shap wagons which need loading up yet. So I'm trying to get rakes of all the same if I can. Look better, even though they look, if you look at the steam engine there, they do look good with all different ones on, but I don't know, my personal taste, I just like all the same rake. What else did we get? Oh, one of them carriages on eBay, Royal Mail carriage in BI blue, and I bought one from the show which was new. 20 quid each. So I got them 2. So my post office train, my newspaper express should I say, it's getting quite long now. Pulling 5 carriages. Also, when I got one of them Royal Mail carriages, the bloke at the counter says there's a sleeper carriage in the same colour, so I'm going to start collecting sleeper carriages. Maybe a couple of normal carriages in the it's British Rail blue, isn't it? A British Rail blue grey intercity they are. So there's one carriage there which is brand new. What else did we get? Oh, I got this. See, I got the, excuse me, hands are full of paint, just finished work. Yeah, I got my oil for oiling my engines, looking after them. I think my Deltic was running a bit dry, a bit noisy. So I've oiled it and it seems to be a little bit better. Not much yet, but I think the oil needs to work around more. And also, we got, quite cheap, light shining off them, some flower clusters, which I thought just bring a bit of colour here and there in the grassy areas. Let's say £1.99, bargain, like bargains. So you know I can put some round the grassy areas, and I thought of making some sort of tubs or whatever to go along, maybe at this side round the station, you know, flower pots with the men. Also there's a taxi there waiting in the car park. Got the taxi. which I'm going to get two or three more of them because they can be dotted about all over the place. But yeah, that's it up to now. Just a few new additions. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to set them going and we'll have a couple of minute running session so you can see them running, and I'll try and do a few different camera angles if I can. So just bear with me, we'll be back in a sec.